Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial about NFT. What is NFT and what it stands for, how it works and how it impacts the digital assets domain or market. Bear with us for this quick tutorial to know about NFTs.
What is NFT? If you are one of the pioneers of metaverses and you have created your distinct personality there is no doubt that you will need to furnish your new place such as the home, office or shop in. This may be achieved by choosing your personal clothes or an avatar from world-famous brands, a sofa, an elegant office, or paintings that match your personal taste. These are all virtual goods that you cannot touch in real, but you will pay for them with real money, even if they are still registered in your name in the virtual world. All of these commodities are digital commodities known as non-fungible tokens or NFTs for short. It can be said that it is a title deed to virtual digital products such as pieces of furniture, art or avatars that can be owned with individual data recorded in the blockchain system. Life in Metaverse, you will gain a lot of momentum and demand according to expectations, as you may hold business meetings and watch your sports matches there. These real-world showrunners who seek to acquire everything that is special, may do the same in the digital virtual world as well. Your company or institution may open a branch in that world. Just like any video game, you will find avatars options available to all people, and paid ones, and this is where the NFTs come in. So, why are non-fungible tokens becoming popular? Imagine buying a piece of digital asset on the internet at a reasonable price and getting a unique digital token known which proves your authority over the commodity you bought. Wouldn't it be great? Well, that opportunity exists now, thanks to NFTs. Same as a coupon can entitle you to a free drink, a digital token represents a specific amount of digital resources you can own, assign to another, or redeem later. Digital tokens are either intrinsic or created by software and assigned a certain utility. Digital token is asset-backed, which is issued to represent a claim on a redeemable asset, such as legal tender or precious metals. NFTs are currently taking the digital commodity and collectibles world by storm. Just as everyone worldwide believed Bitcoin was the digital answer to currency, NFTs are now pitched as the digital answer to collectibles. A digital token offering is a means for people to visit websites and buy digital tokens using paper money, for example, US or Canadian dollars, or another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ether. You can liken it to a foreign exchange, known as Forex, platform or a bank that lets people buy foreign currency for their travels, for example. A person from the GCC who's going off on a vacation in Egypt can go to his bank to buy US dollars using local currency. Digital token offerings, however, exchange the cryptocurrency of your choice for either money or other kinds of coins. They are also known as initial coin offerings. Investors typically go to them to invest in new cryptocurrencies in hopes that they'll earn from these in the future. As a result, the developers of digital assets are seeing their lives changing thanks to the massive sales to a new crypto audience. That was a short tutorial prepared by Dr. Ahmed Darwish. Hope that you had enjoyed the information. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.